There's something about this home that just feels easy the moment you walk in. At 44 Kiln Road, everything is designed for comfort. Single-level living, open spaces, and just the right amount of detail to feel refined without being overdone. The kitchen connects seamlessly to the main living area, making it easy to stay connected whether you're cooking or entertaining. Morning light fills the sunroom, the kind of space that becomes part of your daily routine. With exterior maintenance handled for you, weekends open up. More time for golf at Lang Farm, dinner at the Essex Experience, or simply enjoying home without the upkeep. A clean, well-cared-for property in one of Essex's most convenient locations.